Commercial mortgages in Manchester look different in Q2 2026 from where they sat at the back end of last year. The December 2025 Bank of England cut to 3.75% has worked through senior pricing on prime stock. Office occupier demand in Spinningfields and the Oxford Road corridor has held up, while most other UK regional centres are still working through occupancy. Industrial demand at Trafford Park continues to absorb supply faster than it gets built. Here is how the numbers actually price. Senior investment commercial mortgages on prime Manchester stock price at 6 to 7.5% per annum at 60 to 75% LTV. The floor of the range applies where the asset is Grade A and the tenant covenant is strong. Secondary investment price is wider, in the 7.5 to 8.5% range. Owner-occupier commercial mortgages price at 6 to 7.25% at 65 to 75% LTV. Trafford Park Last Mile Industrial is the strongest single segment in Manchester right now. Multiple lender pools, competitive bids, tighter pricing on the right covenant. Spinningfields Prime Office sits in the same bracket on professional services tenant covenants. St. Peter's Square reads similarly. On underwriting, lenders want 1.3 to 1.4 times DSCR on investment deals and 1.3 to 1.45 times ICR on the income side. The 2-year clean accounts threshold is the most common qualification question on owner-occupier inquiries. A typical case shape on the desk right now is a sub £2 million owner-occupier office acquisition near St. Peter's Square. A professional services firm with 7 years of trading history buying its own premises. Senior at 6.25% at 70% LTV with a challenger bank. 3-month process, clean exit. That is the bottom end of the prime owner-occupier market in Manchester this quarter. We are also seeing a steady flow of £4 to £6 million stretched senior refinances on Spinningfields fringe investment stock as 2021 vintage facilities roll into new structures. Looking forward, a further 25 basis point cut from the Bank of England would compress the senior investment range and tip a meaningful slice of borderline deals back into financeability. The biggest beneficiaries would be deals currently sitting just outside DSCR coverage. If you're refinancing or acquiring Manchester commercial property in the next 90 days, head to commercialmortgagesmanchester.co.uk.